Alright guys, Happy New Year everyone. Wow, that's a long time I haven't been here in the channel, so I think it's more than 2 weeks we haven't uploaded a video on YouTube. But glad to be back. You know, I was back to the office since yesterday, and last week we didn't have anything. So, you know, I wasn't uploading something that you guys would just, you know, just for fun. I'm always trying to bring the best content. Therefore, I've waited until today so we could talk about things that will happen on the first quarter on the USA, on the US dollar, all right? But just regarding the webinar, we didn't have a webinar yesterday, but we're gonna have one next Tuesday, all right? So just waiting for everyone to come back. We didn't have much people joining us yesterday, so we decided to cancel it and transfer for next Tuesday. So stay tuned, do your registrations, free, $0, no charges, and then I see you on next Tuesday. We're gonna come back with full energy, all right? Next thing, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up on this video, and let's get it. So it's a very important week. You know, it's the first week of the year, first week of course of January, and this brings a lot of relevance to the market, okay? Especially for the US market, especially for the US dollar, that we've been seeing US dollar very weak since, you know, Q4 of 2023, now becoming much more weaker on the first quarter of 2024. Pardon my voice, I'm a little bit sick, so if you can't understand, put the subtitles. I think that will help. Anyways, so we did had a close, of course, up move on 2023 year to finish the year on the US dollar, but things may change this year, all right? And the first thing I want to talk about is the Fed. Why so important to look to central banks at the moment? Well, pretty much, remember, they've raised all these, you know, 500, 400, 300 basis points all around the globe, all the central banks. I'm not saying specifically one, but they all have raised interest rates. What they have to do now is they have to decrease these interest rates, come back to normal. And this is a very tricky situation, a very tricky situation. If not done on the right way, this can occasion a massive, you know, they call it bumpy lending, because we take it off, you know, with the rates. Now we need to lend. Most of the people are calling a soft lend on US. Most of you know, 50-50. The other half are calling it a bumpy lending. In my honest opinion, I guess we're gonna have somewhere in the middle, all right? We're not gonna have a very good lending, we're not gonna have a very bad lending, but we may have something in the middle, you know, maybe a little bit of bump on the beginning and then stabilization. What will happen with the FOMC, the Federal Open Market Committee? You know, in my analysis, I'm predicting the first cut to happen already on the first quarter of 2024, follow up by 155 basis points cut into 2024 in the total, all right? When this will happen, the first cut, I'm expecting a 24, 25 basis point cut until their pause, all right? So we're gonna have this month, next month, and then March. I'm expecting a cut on March, but this all depends about the NFP this Friday, all right? Well, it must, somewhere it's Friday, somewhere it's Saturday, but let's call it a Friday. If it comes much higher than expected, as well as the GDP, the gross domestic product from Q4 of 2023, if it comes higher than expected, remember guys, John Paul has always mentioned they haven't taken off the possibility of raising rates again, okay? Hiking another 25 basis point may seem, you know, crazy for once, but there is the possibility to happen. In my honest opinion, very small possibility, all right? Let's say 5%, not even 10, 12%. It's more inclined right now to pause and cut for this year from the Fed. And this, of course, will bring, you know, with cuts, will bring the dovish instance. And with the dovish instance from Jerome Powell, yes, the US dollar will be weaker. All right, so there we have it. 3 reasons why I believe on the US dollar weaker for at least the first half. And I've been telling this you all, I was believing on a stronger US dollar until the end of 2023. And then starting 2024, we may have a small decrease on the strength for the US dollar. So this is it. This is pretty much it from me today. Just pay attention on the numbers of the FOMC. Of course, tomorrow we're going to have another video, and then Friday we're going to have a specific video for the FOMC. You know, pay attention on any news that may come from USA. All right, guys. So yeah, this is it from me. Have all a very nice week. I know we are in the middle of the week, but have a continuous good week ahead. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and I see you in the next video.